Are you a Symfony dev? Do you use the Doctrine Migration Bundle? Have you noticed, after a while, your migrations get a little bit longer? How do you manage those? In the past, I've gone through and had to delete the migrations and then delete them from the database. But not only that, you then have to do that in the production database. Otherwise you start getting error messages about this migration doesn't exist. Well, good news, I've written a bundle that tidies that up for you. All you need to do is specify in the config which migrations you want to delete. And the easiest way to do this was to specify a date, and anything before that date, those migrations will be removed from the file system and from the database. And the best bit is this actually runs just before the migrations command, so that once you've removed them from your local system, if you then run migrate on production, then it'll also remove them from the database there. Installation is simple. All it is installing the bundle. Composer require hackzilla /doctrine-migration-pruner-bundle. The only thing this bundle requires is the Doctrine migrations, and if you're already using them, they'll already be installed. To configure the bundle, you'll need to edit the configuration file specifically created for it. Navigate to config/packages in your project directory and create or edit doctrine-migration-pruner.yaml. And here's how you set it up. Choose a date time that reflects your project's migration history. It's generally a good idea to pick an earlier date to start with, ensuring that no critical migrations are pruned inadvertently. Using the bundle is as simple as running your Doctrine migrations. Run your Doctrine migrations as usual. When you execute the command, the bundle will automatically prune the old migrations based on your config setting. By integrating the Doctrine Migrations Pruner Bundle into your workflow, you're ensuring a more streamlined and clutter-free migration process. No more manual cleanup of migration files or database entries.